Howdy YouTube. Today we're going to do another game camera review. This one is the CamPark T-40 game camera. We're going to get this thing set up, get it out in the woods, let it get wet, see how it does, how it compares to that Tasco review that I did. To that Tasco camera rather. And we're going to see how it goes. So let me go fix that cup of joe and let's get out in the woods. Alright, and here's what we got. We have got a CamPark T-40 wildlife camera. It says it does 12 megapixels, supports a 32 gig micro SD card. Unfortunately, I have a 64 gig out here. I'm going to have to go find a different one. It's got a trigger speed of 0.8 seconds. It says it's waterproof. We're going to test that. It's got a wide angle lens. So let's open this box and see what we got in here. Strap. Looks like one piece is in the mounting plate. And a micro USB cable. Just to hook up to a computer if you want to take something out there to view it. Down here one-handed. Instruction manual. Alright, first thing I notice, we have these little latches here. And they just open up. And we open it, and you can see there's control panel. Some of the... Oh, it only takes a micro card. It does not take, I don't know how you can see that. It won't hold a big SD card. It's got to be a micro. Switches and whatnot, and the batteries, it says use 4 or 8 pieces of AA alkaline, so I guess you can take 4 or 8. We're gonna put 8 in there just because I have 8. Get this open real quick. Batteries are in. It's got this little latch like thing. It's kind of a pain to get to, but just kind of get it with your nail there. I assume. Alright, and it powers up. Let me peel this screen protector off of there, and it says memory card missing. So we're going to go ahead and stick this 64 in there and see if it works. And it is counting down. Sure whether that worked or not. So let's close this. And it comes with all this plastic protection junk on top of it. I will tell you, I did buy this camera on Amazon, but I bought it specifically to do a review on it. So I did buy it at a discounted price from the manufacturer with that agreement, but I did pay for the camera. I just didn't pay quite full price, but I also let them know that the review is going to be an honest evaluation of it. Alright, so all that stuff's off. I'm not sure whether it's... Let me go ahead and pop it open and see what we got. Here's it takes the 64 gig SD card. That's what I stuck in there because that's the only one I had a micro SD card for. And you can see it's running through a slideshow. Granted, it's just one picture, but it's running through the slideshow. What you're looking at is a slightly blurry bed of my truck, with scratches and everything. But that's good to know. It at least takes the 64 gig. So let's get out and get this thing set up. All right, and you can see the different options here on the settings. The resolution, that's obvious. Photo series, video resolution, video length, and audio recording, which I don't guess I was fully aware that, excuse me as I move that over so I can operate both. Let's see what that does. We're going to leave that on, which might be interesting. Video length, That's set for 5 seconds. Let's see, I think I can just, there you go, I just changed that to 10 seconds. Video resolution, oops. Let's just leave it the way it is. Photo resolution. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jack this thing all the way up just because I want to see how good of a picture we get. Let's see how to get out of this menu now. Menu. All right, and you can see it's set to take videos right there at 720p. And it looks like it's saying I've got 4 hours and 54 minutes worth of videos here, so, or videos that it can record. I'm gonna have to go ahead and set the time and date. Let me figure out how to get into there and do that. All right, so I figured something out here. There's a down button, and you've got a lot more options here than I thought. I'm trying to do this without the owner's manual just because, well, that's the way guys tend to be, as our wives usually tell us. You can set things like how long you want it to lag, the sensitivity, the target recording time, time lapse, language, and here's what we're after, time and date. I'm a 24-hour time kind of guy. Date format. I'm going to go ahead and put it that away. Hit back. Photo stamp. I guess it's gonna, yeah, you'll want to leave that on probably if you're using this to find when game's coming through. Doesn't do you much good, I guess, if you don't know what time it is. Password protection. Beep sound. Format memory card. To be honest with you, this is actually an old memory card out of my old Galaxy phone. So we're going to go ahead and format that sucker real quick. Serial, I imagine that's to set it or plug it in. Alright, let me go back down to time and date and figure out how to actually set the time and date there because I skipped that part. Oh, it would be the part that says set time and date. Alright, and let me go ahead and get this set up. And we're going to head out to the woods and hang this up. Alright, and here's the plan. I'm going to put it right under this Tasco camera. I did a review on it this winter. There's Shadow. She's got her check cord on because we're working on some training at the same time. But, of course, not doing a good job while I video, but that's alright. We'll get there. Anyway, what I want to do is I want to compare the two pictures on this camera and the other one. So I'm going to actually put this camera right below that one. Okay, and here are the two cameras. Kind of situate that so it looks about straight. They look relatively similar. Gotta tighten that one up just a touch more. I'm gonna do that now. And to turn this thing on, we just flip that over twice, powers up, close it, and it's counting down. So we're gonna come back here in a week or so and see what we picked up. I may throw some corn out here to bait some critters near. All right, it's been a few weeks. The camera's been out here. I left it out here an extra week because we had a couple of really good rainstorms and I wanted to check and make sure it was gonna stay waterproofed even in heavy rain. So we're heading on out the trail, see if we can't pick them up and get some pictures and compare. All right, so opening it up, I'm gonna open it up and film it just in case it's full of water or something. So we can see. It appears dry on the outside here. I don't see any water. Sorry about that finger. But not sure if the this card out of here. Let me get it off the tree. All right, and I just got it off. You can see it looks like it picked up 60 videos here, and you can see them on the little screen here. Might be hard to see with the glare, but it seems to be pretty decent image quality on that. I do like that this has the screen right here so you can view it. Let's scroll through here and see if we have anything good. And pardon my, you can see it got a little video. Let me play that again so you can see it here. Oops, hit the wrong button. So I'm just scrolling through them by hitting this down arrow. Here's some taken at night. Let's see what this guy is. To play it, you just hit OK. I don't really see anything there. There we go. There's one with a deer right in the middle here. So play. Okay. It's not bad. It's good quality. It is a small screen, but let's get this inside, get it on the computer, and I'll blow it up and put it right after this segment in the video. All right, guys, here's the dealio. That's a good camera. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. It's a little bit more expensive than the cheaper one. It's, 60, 65 bucks. But in my opinion, the image quality and stuff that you get is good enough that it's worth that extra money. I do like that you get other information down there at the bottom. You get like the temperature and stuff like that, as opposed to just the time and the date. If you want to pick one of these guys up, I did manage to get a discount code from the manufacturer. So down below, click that Amazon affiliate link. I'd appreciate that. That helps me a little bit. And then copy and paste that discount code in, and that helps you out a little bit. Any questions or anything, comment below. Would appreciate, hit like, hit subscribe. That definitely helps and is much appreciated. Until next time, y'all take care.